If you're thinking about selling your house, this is how the Maureen Folan Real Estate Group gets the job done. This is one of our most recent properties in Flushing, Queens. I'm gonna walk you through step by step on how we got this home sold in just 6 days. Step 1 was to come up with a game plan. We discussed timeline, pricing, and a marketing approach that was specific to this home. Smells fresh and clean. That's because we brought in a local professional cleaning crew to make sure that the house was spotless for upcoming showings. Our team offers complimentary staging, which is a savings of approximately $7,000. In the event you're still living at your home, we can use what you have, bring in additional furniture to make sure the features of your home really stand out. Step 4, professional photos, videos, floor plans on all listings, no exceptions. Step 5, we host an amazing open house with yummy food and drinks, and we have a lot of fun while we're doing it. Come to a Maureen Folan Real Estate Group listing and see the difference for yourself.